Thank you for watching my video. Using the transform tool. I also did a sort of a drawing commentary on the proportions of the legs, the knees. So I will adjust according to that. More interesting. Doesn't necessarily feel like painting, but almost sculptural. It's hard to explain what's going on in a time-compressed video. By the time the explanation is done, the video is done. Or the video is done before. But people will get their own ideas if they watch. Probably better ones than I've got. That's kind of the whole point, really. Not to be a expert on something, but exploring, and other people will take that however they want to. Again, thank you for watching my video.